Hi everyone, this is Katie here. Today is December 5, 2025, last trading day of the week. So today major macro event is the PCE data. It was delayed from 8:30 a.m. to actually 11 a.m. US time. So the data actually came in meeting expectations here. So uh its forecast is about 0.2% and actual is 0.2%. So slightly for CRM, it was quite bullish. Uh mild bullish for CRM. So I had to do some trades for CRM. So let's take a look at the watch list here. So VIX minus 0.76%, slightly bullish here. I think probably due to the PC data meeting expectation. Some of the significant moves are STZ plus 2% here, and we have CRM plus 4.34%, most probably due to its earnings and the PC data. That's why. And the rest are all below 2%. And Poyet has a minus 4.4% move here. So I would trade JD, TRWV, and AMD. It's slightly neutral, but slightly a bit bullish, neutral to bullish here. So did some trades. Let me explain. Okay, so before PC data was released, actually bought some calls here to hedge against a bullish run. Then got a debit of 0.14. After PC data release, it actually didn't have any effect on the market, but did a mistake here because I was too quick to sold my calls here at a debit of 0.02 because we should have waited at least 15 minutes to half an hour for the market to take in the news and then to see what is the price level for CRM. So currently CRM actually went up um, about $3 to $4 here. So for this position, you could have a lotto, like probably a credit of about 0.2 to 0.4 here. Nevertheless, let's see. So I sold some puts for CRM 257.5 here because I expecting that my CRM will be caught away today at 255. So I still have some sold calls position that is going to expire in a few weeks' time. So I need to actually buy some of the stocks back so that it will be a covered call. And got a credit of about 1.3 here. Then I see that Pfizer is also going to be a bullish trend here. So I decided to actually roll it up upwards from $27 to $28 at a longer expiration date here. So overall, it's a net debit of 0.07, but a credit of $1 here. So total IV intrinsic value plus extrinsic value, it's about 0.93 for doing so. But of course, when the time comes, I can roll it down again, depending on how the price action is. And next, I decided to close my Pfizer calls. This is a naked call actually expiring December 12th at a 0.03 debit here. Next, saw that GLD, the percentage value left is less than 50%. So 1 week later, got a credit about 0.45 here. So I think that's all for today. Let's take a look at the watch list again. So CRM 258.6 here. Definitely getting caught away today. Um, I'll take a look at Finviz also. So Finviz generally market is bullish here. So because PC data it's quite neutral. That's why market is tend to become neutral bullish. So S&P 500 rise towards record as Fed favored inflation gauge cools. Okay, so probably you will see that it will be a bullish price action coming into next week, and I think higher chance of Fed cutting rates, and you expect a bull run from there. So I think that's all for now. So remember to like this YouTube video and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also turn on your notification bell Oh yeah, not to mention, SoFi has a minus 5.74%, most probably due to its report of having a share subscription here. So there's some dilution here. But nevertheless, let's see and monitor the price action for SoFi. Yep. So have a great day, everyone. Signing off here. I'm probably going to wake up half an hour before market close to take a look at the CRM position here, and then to see what moves to be made. Because most probably I will be either rolling my CRM positions to the higher strike price at a longer expiration date, or I might purchase back some of the CRM stocks here. Okay. So I think that's all. Have a great day, everyone. Signing off here.